Hey guys, welcome to Wolverine Gaming. So, if you are new to Last War and if you want to learn the basics of the game, so you're watching the right video. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about day 4 of day 4 or 3 of the it's day 4 of Doomsday Domination. If you are new in new server, then you'll get like intercity trade on day 4. Okay, so I'll tell you how to use that trucks or how to plunder as you open this box in here. So click on this first and you'll get some resources, and after that click on the plunder button. And as you can see, there are two sections in here. You can plunder 4 times a day in same server for at least a month. After that you can change the server, and you can also send your own trucks of supplies from here. Go to the your truck section, and as you can see, we get 2 slots to send a truck. So click on the plus button, and after that you can see we can send these supplies by truck and get them later. Okay, so there's a free chance to refresh, and if you have trade contacts, then you can refresh for more times and get better trucks. So you can see SSR are good, but URR better than SSR. So you can refresh till it gets UR like this, the golden truck. And after that, go to the squad settings, choose your squads, like choose your best squads of your first priority. Okay, so now save and exit, and after that click on the let's go button to send your trucks, and that's done. And you can send one more, and there's a free again refresh. So I will send this one as it is, and now you can choose another squad to defend these trucks, and then again click on the save and exit, and let's go. Okay, so we have done our trades, and now you can go to the other trucks and you can plunder from here. If you have higher power, you go for the gold ones, and after that you can go for violet ones, SSR, and if you have low power you can go for blue and white ones. Okay, so let's see if we have the power to uh, plunder this gold trucks. Just click on the any truck you want to plunder, click on the plunder button, and after that click on this fight button. And I think I don't have that much power. You can check your power in here. Click on the battle button. After it's selecting the heroes, rearrange them as best of the heroes you can. So like send your shield heroes in up front and other heroes in back. Okay, attacking heroes in back. Then click on the battle button. Let's see if we can. So we can't right now, so I will choose another truck. Go to the another truck, see if you can plunder, and if you don't have that much power you can also refresh to get another truck. So like we can plunder this truck. So we'll go plunder, click fight, and just click on the battle button and go to skip, and you can see we have plundered successfully. So you can plunder 4 times a day, and your trucks also can be plundered by enemy. Right now we don't have cross server trucks plunder, so you have to plunder from your own server for almost a month, and you can obtain valuable resources from plundering them daily, at least 4 times a day. You can see again lots of good resources in here plus a golden shard, so it's a good deal, and you can also do the same to gain those rewards.